In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of reviewing your orders on Shein. Whether you're new to online shopping or just curious about how to share your experiences with others, this guide will walk you through each step in a clear and straightforward manner. To begin, let's start by visiting the Shein website. Simply head over to your preferred web browser and type in Shein, or click on the link if you're following this video online. Once you're on the site, you'll notice the homepage filled with the latest fashion trends and deals. It's a bustling marketplace that draws you in with its vibrant selection. However, today we're focused on managing your order reviews, so let's move on to your personal account settings. Next, you'll want to locate the Personal Center. This is your hub for managing all aspects of your Shein experience, from viewing your order history to writing reviews about the products you've purchased. You can access the Personal Center often by looking for an icon or link at the top of the website. It's typically labeled as Me or Account, depending on the version. Once there, you'll see a menu or series of options. What we're focusing on today is the My Orders section. In My Orders, you'll find a comprehensive list of everything you've purchased. This is your opportunity to revisit past buys, track current shipments, and importantly, review what you've received. Take your time to scroll through the items listed. When you're ready to share your thoughts about a particular product, simply click on that item. This will usually lead you to an option to leave a review. Writing a review is not just about critiquing a product, but sharing valuable feedback that may help other shoppers make informed decisions and also provide insights to the sellers for improving their offerings. As you write your review, consider both the strengths and weaknesses of the product. Was it true to size? Did the material meet your expectations? How was the overall quality? These are the kinds of questions you can address to provide a balanced review. Feel free to include details about your personal experience with the item and any tips future buyers might find helpful. As someone who has interacted with the product, your insights are invaluable. Once you're done reviewing, your feedback will be saved and shared with the Shein community. And just like that, you've successfully completed the process. Remember, writing reviews on platforms like Shein enhances your shopping experience and helps create a supportive community of fashion enthusiasts. So there we have it. By following these easy steps, you've contributed your voice to a wider conversation about fashion and consumer experiences. Thank you for watching, and remember to check back for more helpful guides on getting the most from your online shopping adventures.